We all love the sun, but it can do some serious damage to your home furnishings. Unfiltered sunlight can fade floors, furniture, and even your art. This is due to the sun's powerful UV rays. What's the solution? Well, window films like 3M Prestige offers you the protection you need, blocking up to 99% of the sun's UV rays. This film gives you peace of mind while still allowing plenty of sunlight to enter your home. Ready to upgrade your windows? Get the protection you deserve with a free estimate from ClimatePro.